The 2015 Triumph Tiger 800 ABS. The Tiger 800 ABS was forged from Triumph's desire to design the ultimate adventure bike. Built with passion for long journeys in mind, the Triumph 800 ABS has all it needs to reward you with an unforgivable experience each time you jump on its saddle. It features a rugged chassis and a capable 800cc, liquid-cooled, 12-valve, DOHC, inline 3-cylinder engine which is mated on a 6-speed transmission with wet, multi-plate clutch. The engine generates a maximum power of 9.5 bhp at 9,300 revolutions per minute and 79 Nm of torque at 7,850 revolutions per minute. The motorcycle rides on cast aluminium, 17 inches at the rear and 19 inches at the front wheels which are wrapped in 190/19 and 150/70 R17 tires, respectively. As far as prices are concerned, the Triumph Tiger 800 ABS can be yours for no less than €10,389. Hit the jump for more information on the Triumph Tiger 800 ABS. Overview. Triumph has combined a cracking Triumph 3-cylinder engine and a rugged chassis to bring you the toughness, everyday practicality and outstanding touring credentials of the Tiger 800. The engine is designed to give you smooth, accessible torque when you need it. And the strong steel frame and long travel suspension are built not just to survive but excite on road or trail. Triumph built the Tiger 800 for a purpose, and that's what gives it its style. There are no side panels. Just essential covers and a screen for a look that reflects how this bike should be used. With minimum painted surfaces, just the fuel tank and front mudguard, the Tiger 800 can take knocks and spills and still look good. And with its purpose-made luggage, extended fuel range and spacious riding position, you get a bike with a thirst for long-distance riding. 2015 Triumph Tiger 800 ABS key features. Class-leading 9.5 PS 799cc 3-cylinder engine. Adjustable seat height and handlebar position. Switchable ABS as standard. Coated key immobilizer for added security. 645W generator allows fitment of multiple electrical accessories. 2015 Triumph Tiger 800 ABS features and benefits. Engine. Performance. The 3-cylinder engine is purpose-made for its all-rounder, adventure role. The 800cc, fuel-injected powerplant makes a strong 9.5 PS and peak torque of 79 Nm, but just as important, it's muscular and willing right across its rev range to give you drive and urgency when you need it without having to work the gearbox first. The engine communicates and stirs, inspiring rides for the sake of riding, as only a 3-cylinder can, then delivers the kind of performance that makes it absolutely ideal for its role. Transmission. The transmission is just as tough and dependable as the rest of the Tiger 800, yet the clutch action is light and predictable, giving you a bike that's usable in off-road situations or just riding in heavy traffic. Changing gears through the 6-speed gearbox is smooth and reliable too, and thanks to the generous spread of engine torque, you get a wide spread of ratios to suit all kinds of riding conditions. The chain final drive is ideal for the best off-road suspension performance and even lets you change the overall gearing if you want. High-level silencer. At its core is the Triumph signature 3-cylinder engine with its triple-down pipes tucking tightly into one that flows back and up to the high-level silencer. Chassis. Frame. The backbone of the Tiger 800's chassis is its tubular steel trellis frame recognizable by the twin tubes running down each side of the engine. And Triumph made the girder-like rear subframe super strong to cope with heavy touring loads. The engine is important here too, engineered as a fully stressed and crucial component of the chassis, adding strength so the frame can be lighter for better agility. Suspension. Triumph never stop honing suspension until Triumph get it just right. And the Tiger 800 is no exception. So at the front there are 43mm inverted forks, carefully matched to the single rear unit and aluminium, twin-sided swing arm that together offer enough travel for off-road use. As well as that, with such effective damping the bike is plush and controlled on the road too. You can even adjust the rear spring preload hydraulically to deal with any load you need. Brakes. Triumph gave the Tiger 800 2-piston sliding calipers at the front and 308 mm floating discs that give you enough stopping force on the road but won't be too fierce in slippery off-road riding. Wheels. Triumph Fit cast aluminium, 17 inches at the rear and 19 inches at the front to suit a wide selection of tires. Riding position. The upright and spacious riding position of the Tiger 800 works just about anywhere. It's comfortable enough for you to spend hours in the saddle touring. Around town it helps you see ahead over cars and other obstacles. And off-road it gives you perfect control. Adjustable seat height. You can adjust the seat height without tools between 810 mm and 830 mm for better access for shorter riders or just to suit different kinds of riding. Your passenger is well looked after too, with a comfy riding position and supportive seat with large grab handles. Handlebars. The aluminium handlebars can also be adjusted fore and aft, and the handlebar levers are span adjustable. Equipment and technology. Alternator. Serious all-weather riders expect to be able to use additional electrical equipment, so Triumph fitted the Tiger 800 with a high-output alternator. Plenty of power for you to use with the optional heated grips, spotlights or electrically heated clothing. Dual headlights. It's an all-weather bike, so there are powerful dual headlights. These can be quickly height adjusted by moving a simple lever, immobilizer. Just in case your Tiger 800 attracts the wrong kind of attention, Triumph has added a high-technology security system. It detects a microchip in the key body, and if it's not present, the ignition system is disabled. This prevents a copy of the correct key being used to switch the bike on. Instruments and computer. Triumph put everything you need in the way of technology on the Tiger 800. Including a trip computer reading average and instant fuel economy and range remaining, fuel gauge, service indicator, gear position and clock, as well as essential information such as speed and engine RPM. ABS. The ABS system uses the latest technology to prevent wheel lock-up in any condition you find yourself in. And it can be switched off for off-road use, in case you want to lock a wheel up deliberately. Screen. Triumph added the aerodynamically optimized screen to take the force out of the slipstream and make your ride comfortable at sustained high speed. Tpms. Tire pressure can drastically alter the performance of any bike. So the dash of the Tiger 800 is also pre-configured to display the optional tire pressure monitoring system, to warn you before any changes in pressure become an issue. Key accessories. A huge range of accessories has been specifically developed for the Tiger series. All fitted accessories include a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. Here is just a small selection to view. Triumph Dynamic Luggage System. Triumph Dynamic Luggage System featuring high security, one-key locking mechanism, branded brushed aluminium lid covers and fully weatherproof construction for the ultimate in adventure luggage. Full floating mounting assembly ensures performance levels are not compromised even when fully loaded. Offers 62 liters of luggage carrying capacity, can accommodate one full-face helmet. Top box. The top box provides 35 liters of luggage carrying capacity, can accommodate one full-face helmet. The bespoke TDLS provides added practicality. Requires sliding carriage. A9508148 for fitment. Aero slip-on exhaust constructed from premium materials including titanium and carbon fiber to ensure that the aero silencer looks as good as it sounds, with a bespoke engine tune which guarantees optimum performance. Approved for noise, meeting EC Directive 97/24 Chapter 9. Delivers a power increase of up to 4.0 PS without dB killer, a significant weight saving of 3.5 kilograms, and the all-important soundtrack. Sumpguard. Heavy gauge brushed aluminium Sumpguard designed to protect the sump and underside of the bike from the impacts associated with off-road riding. Features drilled sections for a lightweight competition look plus Tiger branding and all required hardware. Adventure Fog Light Kit. High-performance dual fog lamp kit designed specifically for the Tiger, featuring cast 55W fog lights, drilled and brushed aluminium shields. All new illuminated push-button switching with EQ-controlled power switching. Accolades. Winner of MCN Award. Tiger 800 and 800XC. Winner of MCN Award for Best Adventure Bike 2011. Warranty and service. Triumph Confidence provides you with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on your new Triumph and genuine accessories. Alongside the knowledge that Triumph give you a 12-month unlimited mileage warranty on replacement parts, the Tiger 800 carries 6,000-mile (10,000 kilometers) service intervals. Specifications, quotes, a global hit since its launch in 2011, the Tiger 800 was designed from the ground up to meet the demands of some of the most discerning motorcyclists. Carrying a high specification, it delivers a unique experience and provides the perfect bike for year-round riding. Total motorcycles. At first glimpse the bike doesn't look different to the current model, but a closer look reveals a few changes. The biggest change comes with the inclusion of what appears to be WP suspension, where the current Tiger uses Showa suspension both front and rear. The change in suspension perhaps marks a change in attitude to make the bike slightly more off-road focused. Motofire.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.